Hi guys, and welcome to this exciting tutorial where I'll be showing you how you can achieve this beautiful sleeve structure design using boning. So in order to achieve this design, I'm going to be using my two pieces of fabric and my lining and also my boning. As you can see, this is the boning I'm using. So this is not regular boning, it's the ordinary boning, the hard one. So I have my lining and my two pieces of fabric. I'll put the other fabric aside for now. We're going to use this one and the lining. So we're going to use the other one I've put aside later on. So the first thing I'll do is I'll place my lining on top of the wrong side of the fabric. So this is the lining placed on the wrong side of the fabric. And as you can see, I have drawn two lines with my chalk. So these are the lines where the boning is going to be encased later on. So I have them two up here and two down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on my sewing machine and I'm going to stitch both the up one and the down ones. Then I'm going to encase my boning. So I measured my boning before drawing the two lines. I didn't draw the exact width of the boning. I add extra measurements before I drew these two. Don't get the exact measurement for the boning because it can get stuck when it's being inserted. Then later on we'll use this other fabric. So for now I'll take it to the sewing machine. Then after I'm done stitching, as you can see, I've stitched the two sides and also the lower bottom. So I stitched down here and the top. So what I'm going to do is I'll get the right side. This is the other fabric. I'll turn it to the right side. This is the right side. I'll place this other one, right sides facing each other. Then I'm going to turn it to the lining side. Then I'm going to stitch again. So these are the right sides facing each other. Make sure you make the right sides facing each other. Then I'm going to stitch. As you can see, I had two lines stitched. So I'm going to run another stitch from this one, not on this inner one, on the outer one. On this outer line, I'll stitch again all the way, and this other one all the way, and also on the side. I'm not stitching in the inner sides. Make sure you stitch on the outer lines. Then I'll stitch down here as well, but on the other upper side I'm going to leave it open. So I'll stitch here, this side, then this other side will be left open. So let's go to the sewing machine. So once I'm done, this is how it looks. I've stitched the three sides and the other side was left open. So I'm just going to turn it inside out. I'm just going to turn it inside out. Then after turning it, this is how beautiful it looks. I'm going to give it a good press. Then after pressing, I'm going to take my boning and insert them into these two. Remember, these two on the lining, these two channels were created on the lining. I'm going to insert my boning right in these two to add some structure. So we're just going to do that. Then after inserting the boning, this is how beautiful it's going to look. So you can add this structured design anywhere on your dress, on whatever you want to add some exaggeration and elegance. So if you want, you can make it bigger than this. This was just a tutorial. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and bye, and see you next time. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell.